Hello everyone. So the puzzle questions I solved today were from GFG. First one is find the age of daughters. Okay, this is a very interesting one. Calculating the total distance traveled by the B. Third is ways to reach bottom right in 6 by 6 grid. Okay, so check all these three out. And next is the first two problems of the contest, like last contest I think, which happened on today's I think Sunday or Saturday last. So first is very easy, like simply using fns. The second one was minimizing the maximum component cost. Minimizing the maximum component cost. So there was a condition like we can only use at most k connected components, and we have to give the minimum value of the uh, minimum value of the sum of the maximum of each component. Okay, so try to read it out. You will understand what I'm saying. You have to minimize the maximum of the sum of each components. So this was solved using the concept of minimum spanning tree. Okay. So in TATS, you can say Kruskal algorithm was everything was same. Just you have to use a extra bit of condition here on the total number of components. We basically break it when it became k. Okay, so I was not able to solve this. When I was trying to solve, I used the concept of bridges. I still think my uh, logic was correct. I was able to like pass 100 to 100 cases. Basically, I will try that approach again maybe in future to check it out. But yeah, if we go through this approach like making the minimum spanning tree and following the Kruskal algo, things become much easier. So the entire Kruskal algorithm can be just copied and paste. But we need to check off, be aware of the extra condition of basically k, how many components we should keep. Okay, so there's a condition at most k components. You will read it out, you will understand. Like the logic part is not difficult, but yeah, you have to think that going adding one node by one and adding the minimum weight edges step by step. So this is part of interesting. This is basically going from bottom to top. Like you are having n nodes and you are adding edges one by one. But the method I was trying was I just put all the edges. I was trying to remove one by one. Okay, so here we are adding one by one. I was removing one by one. Okay, so I will check it out again. My why was I getting error in my logic? Okay, that's it for today. The next day I will be solving the same third and fourth portion of this contest. Those problems are obviously difficult. Okay, so okay then, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.